Marco, there are some additional logical functions that I think would be really useful for you.
Yes, logical functions. I remember they're true or false. Show me what else they can do.
Sure. So we have the heading that says sales all quarters. What we want to do is we want to look through all 4 quarters and see if they just had sales every quarter, because as you glance through the data, you'll see that there's some quarters where there were no sales. So we're going to use the AND function, and the AND function just lets us put in a list of different tests. They all have to be true in order to get an answer of true. If any one of them is not true, then we get an answer of false. So it's just a true-false answer. Let's take a look. So these are logical functions, so you'll find them in the logical category, and we're going to select AND.
And now there's a function argument box.
So you'll see a place where we can start putting in the logical test. We're going to use those same comparison operators we used with the if statement, greater than, less than, equal to. So let's go ahead and start with C2. So we'll just click in cell C2, and we just want to know if it's greater than 0. And on row 2, the answer is going to be true. So what's the next one going to be?
D2 greater than 0.
And then we're just going to go ahead and put in the other 2 as well for quarter 3 and quarter 4.
Now I see that true is the only answer for each of the lines. Are true and false the only answers available?
Right. With logical functions, it's either true or it's false. That's it. If you look at the bottom of the function arguments box, you'll see that the formula result is true. That's what we're going to see in the cell. That's because each logical test here results in true. If any one of those is false, then the entire function is going to be false. So let's go ahead and choose OK here. It's going to tell us true. And then, as we usually do, let's just copy that down.
We're going to double-click the corner. And perfect. Now I'm seeing the result on row 5 is false. I'm assuming it's because the 3rd quarter is actually blank, so it's not greater than 0, and thus it's false.
That's exactly how it works.
Perfect.